So the project we started in January is finally going to be published. Planet Forward is basically going to be unveiled today. Today is March 6th, and basically it's going to publish on the planetforward.org website. It's been a long time coming. I was recruited, and Judy Johnson, my partner in this, we were recruited back in November, but the real work didn't begin until January, which is when I gathered 9 students together to start producing the video. We ended up shooting 13 videos through the New England winter, which included only 9 sunny days, 3 snowstorms, and the average temperature was around 20 degrees. That said, we ended up putting together a body of work that we're all very proud of. The next step is for it to be presented online, and then from there the most popular will be aired on a PBS special on April 15th. That's airing at 8 p.m. Eastern and 8 p.m. Pacific. It's a pretty wild time. It's everybody that's seen it has loved it. It's surprising to see how people react to it. So this is the calm, I hope, before the storm. I think that there are a lot of great things coming. And anyways, just wanted to let you know, and my hope is that you'll follow what happens next.